Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure camera access and QR scanning are allowed in settings. This avoids permission prompts mid-task. Next, unlock the iPhone and open the camera app. You can do this from the lock screen or home. Position the rear camera about 6 to 12 inches away and fill the viewfinder with the code. Hold steady so the sensor can read the pattern. Doing this gives the system a clean image to detect the code quickly, which speeds the process and reduces errors. Once the camera recognizes the code, you'll see a yellow focus box or hear a quick sound. That's your cue. A notification banner appears at the top of the screen showing the link or action. Review it so you know where you're being sent. Tap the banner to open the URL in Safari or the relevant app. If it's an app deep link, iOS will propose the appropriate app. This two-step lets you confirm intent and prevents accidental navigation to unsafe sites. If the camera won't detect the code, open the QR code reader from Control Center, add it in settings if missing, because that tool can be more forgiving. Make sure Safari has camera permission when a site requests it, otherwise the banner won't act on the QR. If you still fail to scan, restart the camera app or reboot the iPhone. Also wipe the lens clean, since smudges and glare commonly block detection. These fixes resolve most scanning problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.